Why is everyone sitting so far from me?
Everyone, stay together. We're going to see the new movie today.
Move, I want to be first. Hey, watch it. We were here first, Leo. First come, first served. That's me.
Leo, please go back to your spot.
Ugh, fine, I'll go back. Thanks for not pushing. I'll just wait for my turn. Of course, everyone's excited, but we can all wait together. That's really nice of you, Ben.
Great example, Ben. Here's your ticket, Leo. You're welcome, I suppose.
He didn't even say thanks. Thank you for the ticket.
You're very welcome, Ben.
Should I hold the door for everyone?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
I'll have popcorn, big size. Hey, I was ordering... It's fine, just get my popcorn.
Sir, there was a line.
Is this the end of the line? Yes, right behind me. Could I have a small popcorn, please? Thank you.
Coming right up, and thanks for asking so nicely.
Want to share some? Really? Thank you, Ben. This whole area is mine. Where do I sit? Not here, that's for sure.
Leo, we need that space for everyone.
Ugh, give me a second, I'll move my stuff. Here, there's room right here. Thanks, Ben. No problem, my bag can just sit with me.
That's very thoughtful, Ben.
This is fun! Could you please stop? That really bothers me. It's not a big deal. Leo, I mean it. Please stop. All right already, I'll stop. No problem. I know it's not fun getting kicked. Exactly! I'm recording this for my friends! That light is so bright, I can't see anything. Just one more minute.
Excuse me, sir. No recording is allowed in the theater.
Oh, sorry. Didn't realize anyone was watching. I put my phone on silent. Now I can watch the movie. Much better. I saw the sign at the door. No recording allowed. Good thing you remembered. Hello? Yeah, I'm at the movies with my class. Please, we're trying to watch. 1 second, I'm talking. Leo, seriously. All right. Talk to you later. I'll take this outside.
Good thinking, Ben.
Hey, I'm at the movies. Can I call you back?
That was very considerate of you.
Whoa, look at that! Did you see that part? Wait, where'd you go? You talked through the whole scene, Leo. Oh, sorry. Let's talk after the movie. Deal. This part is amazing. I know, right? And then he said, oh, hold on. Excuse me, could I get by? 1 second, I'm in the middle of a story. We're gonna miss the previews. Okay, I'm moving. Sorry, let me get out of your way. Thanks, Ben. No trouble at all. Wish everyone was that quick about it. That movie was so boring. Why did we even come here?
I'm sorry you feel that way, Leo.
Feel that way, Leo.
Next time, pick a better one. I'll take that into consideration for next time.
Thank you for bringing us today. I really enjoyed it.
I'm so glad, Ben. That means a lot.
My favorite part was the ending.
Mine too. I'm glad you had a good time.
Can you believe the hero dies at the end? Oh no, we haven't seen it yet! Oops, guess you know now. That's the whole movie ruined. It's just a movie. Let's save that for outside, just to be safe. Thank you so much. No worries, I remember how much I wanted to be surprised too. That's really considerate of you. Why is everyone sitting so far from me? Come sit with us, Leo. Thanks, Ben. I think I understand now. Good manners make better for everyone. Next time, I'll wait my turn, keep my feet still, and say please.
We'd like that, Leo. That's exactly right, Leo. Now, everyone, back to the bus.
Where should we go next time? Type your idea in the comments below. We might use your idea in the next episode. See you next time!